Hi, my name is Anna from Fun & Country, and today we are going to visit a fantastic apartment in Estoril. Welcome! The apartment we're going to visit is in Casa Santa Maria, a private condominium in the heart of Estoril, within walking distance to the fantastic beaches and restaurants of this wonderful coastline. Estoril is on the Portuguese Riviera on the coast outside Lisbon. Historically the home to the aristocracy of Europe, and today one of the most sought-after places to live in Portugal. Famous for its casino, Formula One track, and the long association with Ian Fleming and James Bond, Estoril has a rich past and a bright future. Let's go inside and take a look together. Casa Santa Maria is a new condominium with stunning sea views located in the noblest area of Estoril, and is made up of only 5 spectacular high-quality apartments with common gardens, a swimming pool, a gym, underground parking and security. Look at this impressive lounge with high ceilings and amazing sea views. This unique apartment has a total of 358 square meters of gross area, with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, spacious living areas with sea views, as well as a direct access to the garden and pool. Moving on, we have this excellent fully fitted open-plan kitchen equipped with the latest Smeg appliances. Next to the kitchen, there is a laundry room which connects to a bedroom ensuite for staff or for guests. Let's have a look at the bedroom area. Here you have 3 fantastic bedrooms, all ensuite, and a superb master bedroom with his and hers closets and a beautiful view to the sea. All the bedrooms have built-in wardrobes and air conditioning, and all the bathrooms are in marble and have underfloor heating. This exceptional apartment also has a mezzanine area of 140 square meters. Surrounded by beautiful views to the sea and this amazing pool, Casa Santa Maria offers a wonderful family lifestyle and is the ideal place for a permanent residence or a holiday home. I hope you enjoyed taking this tour with me. My contact details will come up on screen. Don't hesitate to give me a call if you want to book a visit to this amazing apartment. Até breve! Bye!